What's up, guys? Welcome to Diamond Auto Salon, one of our very first YouTube videos. I wanted to go ahead and start off with a very special client of ours who has a few cars that he's modified with us. This one being a Maybach. I'll take a look and show what we've done on this vehicle. So we did a satin aluminum silver wrap on the lower half with a brushed titanium upper half. Pretty neat. He's all about protection, so what we did on this car also was we did a full body clear bra before actually wrapping the car. So the way we do wraps is we fully disassemble the car so we can have a perfect edge, and we guarantee our wraps for life. So the biggest and obviously the most drastic change to the car is going to be a new set of wheels here. These are the factory wheels, so we went ahead and went with the new Vossen S17. It's a rotational wheel. I think it's called the 15T, and we obviously did the gloss clear transparent finish. I believe the box is landing today, so stay tuned, and we'll do a quick unboxing for you of these wheels, and I think they're going to be breathtaking. The box has just landed, guys. It was like 4 months, but I think it's going to be worth it. Check it out, get a closer look right here. I love how Vossen packages all their boxes. Comes with a really sick sleeve. Oh, holy wow, that's crazy. Oh my god. Look at that. That's crazy. Super light too. So we got center caps in there. We got billet plates. So we're doing a free floating cap. I'll show you guys that cap right now. So obviously we've got the billet cap. I love it. It's brushed. It's going to go obviously in the face right there. And then we got custom floating Maybach center caps. Usually says Vossen, but this client wanted a Maybach one. And it's going to pop right there. Obviously I don't want to do it too tightly. But yeah, that should stay at a center of balance at all times. But yeah, take a look at this wheel, guys. Vossen makes some incredible stuff, and check it out while it's getting on this car. Maybach is complete, guys. Take a look. The new Vossen S17. And this is the wrap I'm talking about that we did, the satin silver metallic with the brushed titanium top. Absolutely gorgeous. Super presidential. I wouldn't have done it any other way. Drop some comments. Let us know what you think about this one. We've got some more content coming your way. And this is being one of our first produced videos. I hope you like it.